I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Format Painter in WPS Office. This powerful tool allows you to quickly copy and apply formatting from one item to another, saving you valuable time. Whether you are working with text, shapes, or even tables, the Format Painter ensures your documents maintain a consistent and professional look with just a few clicks. To apply formatting just one time, first select the text or object that has the formatting you wish to copy. Next, locate and click the Format Painter icon once, found on the Home tab of your WPS Office application. Then, simply click on the target text or object where you want to apply that copied formatting. The tool will automatically turn off after this single application. If you need to apply the same formatting to several different items, the process is slightly different. Begin by selecting the text or object with the desired formatting. Instead of a single click, double-click the Format Painter icon on the Home tab. This activates the continuous mode, allowing you to click on as many target items as needed to apply the formatting repeatedly. Once you have finished applying all your desired formatting, it is important to deactivate the Format Painter. There are two simple ways to do this. You can either press the Escape key on your keyboard, which is a quick and universal method. Alternatively, you can simply click the Format Painter icon one more time. Deactivating the tool prevents any accidental formatting changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.